Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a review on two lock gels. One is the ORS Loc Twist Gel and the other is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Lock Gel. So stay tuned. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and retouch my customer's hair with color. I'm going to be putting red on one side, orange on the other side, and this is all the new growth that will be retwisted. And again, I'm going to go in and retwist, but before I do that, I'm going to do a lock trimming and get all of that dead hair off his locks so they can be nice and neat with no frizz. And this is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Gel. The consistency is kind of loose. It's a bit watery, but not too watery. And the ORS Loc Twist Gel, it has the feeling of slime, but not totally. You can put your hands through it and it will break up, but it's a bit firmer. And yeah, both the gels are white. So this is the lock trimming I did. I got all of the dead hair off. And now I have applied the orange hair color to the left side of my customer's hair and the red hair color to the right side of my customer's hair. So now I'm just clipping his hair to the side to divide it straight down the middle. And I'm going to begin using the Jamaican Mango and Lime Lock Gel. Again, right there, it's a bit loose and a bit runny, but it's okay. Now, when I was retwisting my customer's hair, it was extremely slippery, and my hands were slipping off the comb. In a bit, you'll see, just about like right now, um, my hand slipped off his lock, and yeah, it's just a bit slippery. It's not a bad thing that it was slippery, but it was just different from all the other gels that I used. I'm not sure if you can see it right here, but on the first row, my last lock slipped out of the clip. That's how slippery it was. So I had to go back in and retwist that and secure it a little tighter. I did notice that it took me longer than I normally take to twist locks with the gel being so slippery. So keep that in mind if you do use this. It may delay your time a little. And now I'm getting ready to use the ORS Loc Twist Gel. Again, it's a bit firm and it's a lot thicker. And I'm noticing that I'm not getting any slippage from this product right here. It's really securing my customers' locks really, really good. So I'm really liking this ORS Loc Gel. The twist is like really uniform. The frizz is more maintained. And again, I'm kind of liking this one better. So this is both the gels right here, half and half. And this is after his hair dried. Now on the Jamaican mango and lime side, you can see that the twist bunched up because it was so soft that they just curled. And I don't like my locks to dry like that because when you go into style, those are very, very hard to get out. So I'm not too fond of the twist, the locks bunching up. And on the ORS Lock and Twist Gel side, everything dried straight, uniform, in place. Nothing was bunched up, nothing slipped, and it's very much easier to style locks afterwards when your hair dries like this. So this is after a week. I put my customer's hair in 2-strand twists, and I did notice that the Jamaican mango and lime side was a little bit frizzier than the ORS side, but it's still, they both still did pretty good. So let me know what you guys think if you tried these gels, and thanks for watching.